Exquisite. KSKW-used. Definition: extremely beautiful and delicate. Synonyms: beautiful, elegant, lovely. Antonym: ugly, crude. Example: the exquisite butterfly landed on the flower. Ponder. P-end. Definition: to think about something carefully. Synonyms: consider, contemplate, reflect. Antonym: ignore, disregard. Example: she liked to ponder the meaning of life. Abundant. BNDNT. Definition: existing in large quantities, plentiful. Synonyms: plentiful, ample, copious. Antonym: scarce, rare. Example: the garden had abundant flowers in spring. Hilarious. Hilaries. Definition: extremely funny and amusing. Synonyms: funny, amusing, comical. Antonym: boring, serious. Example: the hilarious joke made everyone laugh loudly. Tranquil. Tranquil. Definition: free from disturbance, calm and peaceful. Synonyms: peaceful, calm, quiet. Antonym: noisy, turbulent. Example: the tranquil forest was perfect for meditation. Vibrant. Vibrant. Definition: full of energy and life, bright and striking. Synonyms: lively, energetic, bright. Antonym: dull, lifeless. Example: the vibrant colors of the rainbow amazed us. Genuine. Dengen. Definition: truly what it appears to be, sincere. Synonyms: authentic, real, sincere. Antonym: fake, artificial. Example: her genuine smile showed she really cared. Peculiar. Park Julie. Definition: strange or unusual in an interesting way. Synonyms: strange, odd, unusual. Antonym: normal, ordinary. Example: the peculiar shape of the cloud looked like a dragon. Immense. Men's. Definition: extremely large or great in size. Synonyms: huge, enormous, vast. Antonym: tiny, small. Example: the immense whale swam gracefully through the ocean. Accomplished. KM-peeled. Definition: highly skilled or successful. Synonyms: skilled, talented, expert. Antonym: unskilled, incompetent. Example: the accomplished pianist played beautiful music.